The Divergent Pathways, copyright 2024, Stella M. Dowd. All rights reserved.
I am a time traveler from one of two parallel universes in your future. You stand on the precipice of deciding which one will manifest as your future. I have come back in time to warn you and beg of you that you will make the choices that will allow my world to manifest. Your existence, as will mine, depends on the actions you take now. There is no time to lose, as you are nearing the point of no return. I will reveal to you some of the amazing things you can achieve within just a few hundred years in your future. But first, I want to explain to you what parallel realities are, and a little about how it works. Understanding parallel universes. Imagine a vast sea of possibilities, stretching infinitely into the depths of the unknown. Within this cosmic expanse lies the concept of parallel universes, a mind-bending notion that challenges our understanding of reality. According to theoretical physics, each decision we make, every action we take, creates a divergence, a split in the fabric of spacetime. In one universe, we choose to turn left, in another, we turn right. These divergent paths give rise to multiple realities, each unfolding according to its own unique set of circumstances and outcomes. In my world, just a few hundred years in your future, we have developed capabilities beyond your wildest dreams. We can create matter from the quantum field, known as the quantum foam or quantum soup. We can produce everything from food to gold and silver out of nothing more than quantum strings. We have a vast database containing the quantum blueprints of every human on the planet down to the finest detail. We can regenerate damaged or destroyed bodily tissue, and even completely regenerate and restore people who have died, bringing them back from the dead. In cooperation with our fellow members of the Galactic Federation, we can even use our technologies to assist beings in distant galaxies, traversing intergalactic space by utilizing wormholes and curvatures in the fabric of spacetime and time-space. We have built cities in outer space by creating space stations enclosed in biodome-type structures with an atmosphere that simulates that of Earth. We have intergalactic research spacecraft that explore distant galaxies and clusters of galaxies. My best friend Raj and his family live and work aboard one such science ship, along with their colleagues. Raj is an astrophysicist, his wife is a biochemist, and their teenage son and teenage daughter assist in the maintenance department, helping to ensure the ship remains safe and in good repair at all times. If you would like to learn more about Raj, his family, their team, and some of the challenges they have faced and overcome, you can learn more in Ascension or Extinction. Parallel Universes. By Stella M. Dowd. Copyright 2024 Stella M. Dowd, all rights reserved. Ascension or Extinction. Parallel Universes is a compilation of 4 short books. You can find them in Book 2.